Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafi's North Facing Garden. Today I'll be doing an update on one of my roses called Zephyrine Druin Rose. This is another fantastic rose performing beautifully in my garden. Remember, this is a north facing garden, and at this time of the day it's actually in the shade, so it gets only afternoon sun. This is a wonderfully scented deep pink rose which flowers freely, in fact almost continuously flowering. Another bonus is a thornless climbing rose, and it's got it's a bit disease resistant, but I have to say it's a bit prone to mildew, but fingers crossed, so far we haven't had any this year. So this one is standing here. This is north facing aspect of my property, but it has been blooming now for the last 3 weeks. It's got a very strong fruity smell. The blooms, I think, are beautiful, and you can see different ages of the blooms. This is a new bloom. We had a little bit of rain, long awaited rain yesterday, so some of the blooms are being weighed down by the showers, but it's still got a lot of buds yet to open. I really love it. The only problem I'm having at the moment is because I have limited space. I think I've overdone it by squeezing a lot into the border. I might have to thin out the border, but it's been doing excellent. This has been relocated. I'll insert a clip if I can find it of when I moved it. I moved it from over there and then to over here. So I finally dug out the root ball with the whole rose bush intact. For reference, a 2-liter pot. And now I have prepared the new site. The only thing I'm going to be adding here is the mycorrhiza fungi. I'm going to be adding the mycorrhiza and rose, tree and shrub compost. At this time of the year, there's no need to fertilization. This, as I said, is all experimental, and we'll see how the rose copes with this. But this is autumn and things are going dormant now. Stay tuned. Because of space issues, but so far I'm loving it. It's got a very nice fruity smell, and in the evenings again it just wafts and fills the air with the lovely fruity fragrance. This is its 3rd year. Actually, I moved it in 2021. I'll insert a clip. It was a very small root ball, but it's recovered last year, and this year it's blooming its head off all the way down there. But as I said, there's other roses in front of it, so we can't get the full scale of it. But this is it. It's doing well in this location. And again, a bonus for anyone who gardens in a little bit of shade. It is tolerant of shade, and shade doesn't stop it from blooming its head off, as you can see here. It's one that I will again recommend for any rose lovers. Particularly, it's got the more old English rose look. I really love it. It's been performing nicely for me, and again, it's continuous flowering. And thank you for watching. Bye.